when armed suspects refuse to surrender. As a cop, not every suspect plays nice. Today we've lined up some of the wildest cases caught on camera. So watch till the end. Trust me, you won't want to miss this. Case 1. On July 25, 2024 in Dallas, Texas, police tracked down a stolen red pickup with 4 suspects inside. When officers boxed the vehicle in, the driver rammed squad cars, and suspects fled on foot, one of them armed with a modified handgun.
Keep on coming. Keep on going. Your turns at the dumpster. He's till rep.
Ready? God damn it! You good? Yeah.
That's it. Hurry up. Black.
Six, 7, 1, shots are fired. We need more cover.
10-4, can you cover code 39600 Gulf Lakes Trail?
We're going to be running west of the complex, heading towards the David Buster. For an old black jacket, you take off his hat, black male. Let's go over here.
God damn it! You good? Get up! Close the gun! God damn it! You good? Get up! He's got a gun! He's got! Close the gun! Close the gun!
671, shots are fired. We need more cover.
Hang on, Tim!
10-4, can you cover code 39600 Gulf Lakes Trail?
God! He's running north! He's running north! Running north! He's gonna be running west of the complex, headed towards the David Busters.
Black male.
He dropped his gun over here by the building. Don't you move! Get on the ground now! One at gunpoint, southwest corner. He's on a white shirt, but get on the ground, face down! Don't you move! He's behind the fences, or he's behind the building near the fence corner. You flinch, I'll put a hole in you, mother.
Someone start us an ambulance.
You hit?
Yeah, he's hit.
God damn it.
Go get med kit.
Yeah.
Which building?
Where you hit? Okay, hey. You got close, Kevin?
No.
Here. It's up. What is your name? Eric what?
Officers quickly recovered multiple weapons and took 3 suspects into custody. One suspect managed to escape the scene.
God!
3 charged. 1 suspect escaped. Case 2. On February 28, 2025 in Atlanta, Georgia, a car break-in turned violent when suspects flashed guns at the victim, leading police on a high-speed chase down I-20 as they tossed firearms from their vehicle.
We're still rolling. We'll be in pursuit 20 eastbound.
50-1, I copy. What does traffic look like?
Traffic medium, speeds right now 71, 16 setting up for a pit. No good, still 20 eastbound, speeds over 90. Medium traffic. Pit.
Pit.
Yes, I got it. Send it. Second pit.
Send it, Jazz. I got it. Send it. Second pit. Stand by. Box in. They're throwing guns out. They're throwing guns out. Box them. Box them. Watch up, Jazz.
DSP got the dog. DSP got the dog.
Come on now with your hands up.
I got less.
What?
I got less.
Okay, don't reach for anything. Keep your hands up. Okay?
Hey, responding
Come on.
units.
Come on.
I need y'all to go to them.
Go on this left side.
Right shoulder and get those weapons.
Keep coming up.
Right there.
Turn around.
Vicinity exit.
Grab that gun on the left side.
more.
I can't see anybody else.
We got a team effort. We got Fulton County NGSB out here. We're good. We're getting all secure.
The pursuit ended after officers forced the vehicle to stop, rounding up all 5 suspects without further incident. All 5 suspects arrested. Case 3, San Antonio, Texas. Intro. On February 15th, 2025, in San Antonio, Texas, a man crashed his car into a lake and emerged armed with a knife, confronting an officer while ignoring repeated commands to drop the weapon.
There's a guy. It's him? That's him?
Yep. That's him. Police is here.
9351. I got eyes on one male. He's trying to exit the. Are you okay, or are you sure you can move? Is there anyone in the vehicle with you? Careful. Just hold on to the car. Keep making your way, okay?
Yeah.
Is there anyone else in the vehicle?
No.
No?
You need a towel?
No.
9351. Be advised. Individual is okay. No one else is in the vehicle. He's making his way out right now. You can slow everyone else down. Careful. All right. Okay. Hold on. You have a knife in your pocket, buddy. Put it down. Throw it down. 9351. One at gunpoint. He's got a knife. He's coming towards me. Put down the knife. Please. I don't want to shoot you. What's going on? Please, stop! I don't want to shoot you! Stop! Put the knife down! Stop! Put the knife down, please!
Officers provided first aid after the shooting, and the suspect was hospitalized in stable condition. No officers were hurt.
Everyone else down.
5-second narration. Suspect charged and hospitalized. Case 4. On July 14th, 2020, in Eaton County, Michigan, a stabbing suspect armed with a knife and screwdriver refused to drop his weapons and charged at a deputy during a tense traffic stop.
See your hands.
Put your hands out of the car.
Put your hands out of the car.
Show me your hands. Do it now.
He's flipping something.
Hands up. Shots fired.
Shots fired. Stand by.
You good, bro?
Yeah, I'm good. You all right? God damn it.
161.
Hey, stay with me.
Med kit.
Yep, grab med kit. Suspect. All officers D4. Alright guys, come here. Someone closing down Silver Creek farther south. Skin. The arm. Med kit in the back. You need a key. Do you have it?
Despite officers' efforts to save him, the suspect later died in surgery, The deputy was placed on leave, as per protocol. Suspect died. Deputy cleared. Case 5. On October 5, 2024, in Medina County, Ohio, deputies stopped an armed man reportedly heading toward a high school. As they ordered him to show his hands, he stepped out with a rifle and raised it.
Put your hands behind your back.
Why don't
430, give me the channel.
the channel?
Put your hands behind your back.
I thought we were cool, bro.
Hey, put your hands behind your back, all right?
You gonna shoot me?
No.
Why you pulling?
Just put your hands behind your back, all right?
I'm saying, bro.
Put your hands behind your back.
Bro, look. Cool.
Hey, put your hands behind your back, all right? Put your hands behind your back.
Shots fired. Send EMS. We're gonna be in the parking lot of Big HEB.
Deputies fired and then rushed to give medical aid, but the suspect died from his injuries. No bystanders were harmed. Suspect shot and killed. Case 6. On April 11, 2024, in San Marcos, Texas. A knife-wielding man who had threatened pedestrians earlier ran from police, ignoring commands, as officers chased him toward a crowded grocery store.
Drop the weapon! Drop the weapon!
Down.
Get on your stomach! Get on your stomach now! Get on your stomach!
The pursuit ended in gunfire. Despite life-saving efforts, the suspect did not survive. The officer was cleared of wrongdoing. Officer cleared, suspect dead. On August 22, 2022, in Oklahoma City, Oklahoma, deputies serving an eviction notice came under fire, leaving 2 officers shot. The suspect, 35-year-old Benjamin Plank, fled the scene, sparking a dangerous pursuit where he fired at police while driving.
Everyone's with you. You want me to call this? Yes, everyone call it.
Shots fired.
Shots fired. Shots fired.
Hey.
Stop! Bro, stop! Stop! Put your hands
behind your back. Hands behind your back. I can't. Get on your stomach. Oh, get on your stomach. Get on your stomach. I'm dead. Put your hands behind your back. I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm dead. Oh, I'm dead. I'm dead. Oh, I'm dead. Oh, get out. Put your hands behind your back. You're down there. Stop. I'm dead. Ah. You guys.
Plank later surrendered at Tinker Air Force Base and now faces first-degree murder and multiple other charges. One deputy survived, while Sergeant Bobby Swartz was tragically killed in the line of duty.